Hey, how's it going? All right, so for today, hopefully you're having an opportunity to watch this before class starts, but if you don't, that's okay. First thing to make sure for class that you have a notebook and a writing utensil of some sort so that you can write things down. Just because we're doing stuff in math digitally does not mean that we should not be writing things down. So it really helps you to remember things. I know at times it can get frustrating, but it's really in the best interest of you in being successful. Okay? So, just some things on today that we are going to go through. We are going to get signed up for Khan Academy. So, I think some of you probably have done this in elementary school, or you've done it through other things, but we will utilize Khan Academy for us. And if you're not familiar with it, it usually gives you a couple problems to do, but you have to get all of them correct in a row. If you get them wrong, it kind of resets everything. Okay, so we're going to sign into that using Google, and there's a link right there, the presentation that'll take you to the document so you can sign in. And then we're going to get familiar with the ebook. So our textbook is an online digital ebook. What's fantastic about it is it has help set up for you on all of the homework problems. So if you ever get stuck, you can always click on the help button. Okay, now I know clicking on the help button still may cause you to have some questions, and that's okay. All right, then we're going to play the factor game. So I'm going to play against you guys in class. And finally, kind of the last thing that I want to make sure to touch base on is the homework section right here. This is what your homework is going to be for the night. And just remember, Wednesday is office hours, so you have all of Wednesday to get this stuff done as well. So make sure if you have any questions, you're reaching out and you're contacting me. Other than that, I look forward to seeing you in class and meeting you in the factor game. All right, see you later.